Did you know the majority of web users will leave your website if it doesn't look attractive? A recent research study has shown that an astonishing 78% of all websites are successful due to professional design. Hi, I'm Zazi Developer and I know how to create perfect responsive website for your business. Whether it's an e-commerce store, blog, or just a personal website, I will make it stand out. With our innovative designs, responsive layouts, quick loading times, your site is sure to be the best. I have been developing websites since before even it was called website, and I can create one no matter what your industry is. You deserve the best for your company, and we are here to give it to you without breaking the bank. I'm here because you are tired of hearing no when it comes to growing your business. Let's put those worries aside and focus on what we can do together. Order now so we can create something amazing for your business.